Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Gemini chat history on your phone. So there are two methods how you can do that. The first method is deleting individual chats, and the second method is bulk deleting everything. So let's get through each of them. Let's open Gemini application. Then you want to tap menu icon at the top, and under a recent section, you want to touch and hold the chat that you want to delete, just like this, and then tap delete button and tap confirm. As you can see, it is deleted, but if you want to use the second method, when you bulk delete everything, if you want to erase all chats all at once, then you want to tap your profile icon over here. Then let's go to Gemini apps activity. And now you want to tap on, button delete right here, and then you want to choose a range, last hour, last day, always, or you can set custom range. So I will delete my chat history from the last day. It is possible that you see this error on your screen. Then you want to simply close and try one more time. Sometimes it can happen. As you can see, it says me that everything is complete. So that's basically how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.